Good day all, I'm Passion Sister from LuckyGadgetGirl.com. Today I will show you how to make your incoming call notification and notification volume the same. As you may notice, your notifications volume remain the same even when you lower your ringtone volume. So let's head over to Menu, Settings, and then we're going to click on Sound. After we click on Sound, we will then head over to Volume. In the volume, you will notice that there is a separate setting for notification and one for ringtone. Now, you do have the option to use incoming call volume for notification. Get a little bit closer here. And you will see use incoming call volume for notification. We're going to select that. Once you select that, this will allow you to change both your ringtone and notification volume, and you won't have to worry about going into your settings every time to change your notification volume. Thank you for watching.